Free PayPal money instantly. You are looking to earn some free PayPal money instantly. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. Before I get into the video, I want to tell you guys about the contest that I'm running. For all of you guys who are on this video right now, if you share this video on Facebook, Twitter, just basically Facebook and Twitter, you'll be entered into my contest where I'm going to be giving away a certain amount of money. It's going to be in the hundreds of dollars. I still haven't settled on a number, but I'm going to be giving away to people who share this video. So you basically be entered into a contest. At the end of the month, I'll do a drawing, and you will actually be contacted via your YouTube profile. So you want to make sure you comment as well. Want to make sure there's this in there as well. You want to comment as well, because I'm going to randomly select some people, and I'm going to actually contact you guys, and I'm actually going to send you some free PayPal money just for sharing this video. So if you want to enter into the contest, like this video, share this video on social media, comment below. Before I get into this video, for international users, for international people who want to sign up for some of these apps, you're going to need a mobile VPN. You're also going to need a US verified phone number. That verified phone number has to be able to receive text messages, because you will be asked to enter into a code. A code. They're going to send you a text message, and they're going to ask you to put this code into the app. So you have to have a US phone number that is able to receive text, and a mobile VPN that is able to switch to the United States. You can sign up for these apps. I've had multiple international users that have signed up and made over $300 online. You have to do that yourself. You have to research that yourself. And if anybody has signed up using a mobile VPN, put it in the comment section so you can show other people how to sign up as well. Is dependent on, what you want to do. I have, like I said, I have multiple people, and if those people are watching the video, the people who signed up using the mobile VPN, comment in the description, not in the description, but in the comment section below, so people can get more information on how to do that. Before I get into some payment proof, and I'm in my PayPal account right now, before I get into the payment proof, I want to show you guys about a new app that I just downloaded. It's called Hooch. It's sort of like Dash. This app allows you to make money by referring friends, also by booking hotels, and I actually earn money just by having Netflix in here. So if I go down to my activity, you can see I purchased something on April the 10th, where they basically saw that I had Netflix on here, and they gave me an extra 15 cents. So it's different ways you can earn money in here. You can also redeem cards in here. To sign up is pretty easy. Like I said, for the international users, make sure you sign. I think this is international as well. I think this app is international, because I had somebody that's from China signed up for this app. So basically, you just want to sign into this app. You have to link a verified debit or credit card. The same thing with Dash. We'll get into Dash in a minute. Have to link a verified debit or credit card. You do it by linking through your actual. You do it by linking through your actual account. So you link another account. So they do it by accounts. So basically, you would just basically find your account. So if I hit continue, whatever card you are with, whatever card you want to link. I use Chime. They have Chime in here. I also have Simple. They have Simple in here. I also use Empower. Oh, sorry, my thing went off. Sorry about that. Okay, let me pull it back up. Sorry about that, you guys. View. Okay, what about now? 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. It went offline for a second. But yeah, while it's connecting, okay. They have Empower, which is another one. Yeah, they have Empower in here. So they have all of the prepaid cards that you basically use to link to Dash. Any card that you link to Dash, the only thing you have to do is just sign into the account. So basically your username and password, sign into the account, connect it. You're going to get a free $5 in doing that. Like I got a free $5 for doing that. And you're able to connect to the card. So if you're already on Dash, the only thing you need to do is just basically take that same card and put it over here. Okay, so the next app is, of course, Dash, which is basically the same thing. You come over here, you link a verified debit or credit card, and you earn cash back when you shop at stores in your local area. In order to withdraw your money from Dash, you have to redeem a cash back. So basically go to one of these places that you already shop at. So if you go to Denny's, if you eat at Denny's or Pizza Hut or anything like that, you want to go there and you want to hit the credit, not debit. When you link your card in here, if it's a debit card, you want to hit credit when you go use it at these stores so you can get your cash back back fast and actually can confirm within 2 days. So once you get your first cash back, you're then qualified to withdraw however much money you want to from Dash. You can also go online. For the people who are in different countries, you're gonna have to go online. A person that was in a different country used Cost Plus World Market and basically just sent it to somebody in the US, and he was qualified to take his money out. I think he had like $250 some in there. So you basically want to do that. So once you're on your first cash back, you can then come over here and start referring people to the app. You basically are targeting people who want to earn money for shopping. You basically targeting people who basically want to earn money by doing the stuff they normally do, or people who just want to earn money online. These are the people that you're targeting for these apps. So if you want to do the referral system, I'm giving you the people to target. And once you target those people, you want to go on forums, Facebook groups, and things like that, and start promoting. And even on some business cards and posters and things like that, I have some people in there in my that's that I've taught that I've actually put their Dash link on their business cards and actually been getting some referrals doing that, earning about $500 a month. So it is possible. You just have to you have to hustle. So here it is. This is Dash. I've earned a lot of money with Dash, and I actually show you to my Venmo account. PayPal owns Venmo. So if you're wondering why I'm not using PayPal, this is basically the same thing as a payment processor. You can see Dash paid me $30, another $30 right here. If I keep going down, $25, keep going down. Another $30 here, another $40 here, another $25 here, another $30 here. If I keep going down, it's payments upon payments. Dash has been paying me for a while. So, and this year I think I've earned over $1,000 with it. Okay. So that is Dash. That is, Hooch. They're basically the same app. You basically want to link the same cards that you link to Dash. You want to link to Hooch, the same cards that you link from Hooch. You want to link to Dash. Simple as that. So those are those apps. I showed you payment proof for both of them. Now I'm going to Society. Society, in order to earn your referral bonus, and I'm going to give you my actual code real quick so you guys can write this down. It'll be in the description below as well, but give it a second to load up and I'm actually show it to you guys. You basically play games, and you get to earn, based on how many questions you get correct. So, this is starting in American Idol. The next episode is starting in 3 days. So I answered who I think will win. The more answers I get correct, the more big of the piece of the pot. It didn't even sound right. The more big piece of the pot I get, when the pot is $200. So, if I get all 28 questions right, and then I have a good chance of getting, some good money. I'll give you an example with March Madness. I only got 12 out of 26, correct. So I only got 4 cents. But this person right here, Aaron Gray, got 26 out of 26 correct and earned $125. You get your money paid out through PayPal. Here's some payment proof. Society LLC, $86, $205 right here. If I go down, there's some more payments in here. Probably have to sign in again if it's okay. Here's Dash paying to my PayPal. So that's money to my PayPal. Society right here. Another $85, $93 right here, and I think it's another $85 payment if I'm not mistaken. Okay, that's it. So that's that for that one. And basically, they pay free PayPal money to your PayPal account, and you can withdraw your winnings. So if I go to my winnings, I've earned over $600 with this app. I got $47 in here pending. So this is a really good app. So on your scoreboard, you can just see what's upcoming and what you did the quizzes for. And right here, here's the friends thing. Here goes my code right here, which is 28D3JW. Now you will receive your referral bonus after you and your friend have each played 10 games. So what that means is, when you take this code right here, you get a chance to earn up to $50 by using this referral code. You just copy this and paste it in here when you add a friend by code. So basically you come over here, you take this and you click this and you paste this into this thing on your particular profile, and you hit this button right here, and it's going to add you directly to my friends and to my friend list. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to be giving some bonuses to the people that are on my list. I have a long list of people that I've referred. Once you play 10 games, so you want to come here, you want to play 10 games, you want to watch some of the shows, get more, and more involved with the shows. And basically, once you play the game, you enter in a code, you're going to earn up to $50. And then you can basically just start referring people doing the same thing and earn $1 per person that you refer that plays 10 games. Okay, so that's Society. The rest of these apps I have on a document. 1Q is one of them, which I'll leave a link in the description below. Most of these apps are going to be on a document that I'm going to leave a link to. I'm sharing this document. It's going to have the list of free PayPal money stuff that I do, stuff that pays me PayPal money, stuff that I recommend that you use. It's going to be on a full Google Doc document. I'll leave that in the description below. You want to click on that, and I'll actually leave some of the apps that I talked about in this video was Hooch, Dosh, Society. I'll leave those 3 links in the description below at the top, and then under it, it'll have the document link with the rest of the free PayPal money sites that I use that I didn't get a chance to talk about, like 1Q, AppFlame, QMe. You can see QMe in here. It's a lot of apps that you can earn free PayPal money with. So this is a way that you can earn free PayPal money instantly. I've showed you in my account. I've showed you how much I've earned. I showed you on multiple platforms, multiple apps. This is possible. If you don't want to make free PayPal money, don't do this stuff. But if you want to make free PayPal money, you definitely want to do this. And also, this stuff takes work. You have to actually put in the app. So let me put this income disclaimer. All my earnings are my own, or earnings that I went out and actually earned. None of this is sponsored. I actually went out and earned the money using these apps. You have to do the same thing. You have to actually put in work. You just can't download these apps, let them sit on your phone and think you're going to get paid. It doesn't work like that. You have to consistently put in effort, do the stuff that the app is telling you in order to get paid your free PayPal money and to get that money paid instantly. QMe pays instantly. 1Q pays instantly. Society doesn't take that long to pay. Dosh doesn't take that long to pay. So these are apps that you can just download right now. And as soon as you sign up and as soon as you use my referral code, you're going to get paid some free PayPal money instantly. You just have to make enough to meet the threshold and then withdraw. But if you don't want to make free PayPal money, leave these apps alone. But if you want to make free PayPal money, definitely check out these apps. That was my phone. If you guys have any questions, if you want to enter in the contest, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.